This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Apple TV is ready. Verify the model and TV OS version and confirm you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, press the Home button on the Siri remote to get to the App Grid, then open the App Store. You do this now because the App Store is where downloads originate, no need to rearrange apps yet. Make sure your network is stable. If downloads stall later, this initial check saves time. Now find the app you want by using search or browsing categories. Typing with the remote or dictation speeds things up. Select the app tile to see details, permissions, and the price or free label. You'll know whether it's a one-time purchase or includes in-app purchases. Tap Get or Buy, authenticate with your Apple ID or Touch/Face ID on connected devices, and watch the install progress. Once installed, go back to Home and to finish, open the new app and sign in, grant any required permissions, and allow initial content downloads. Make sure apps are kept current by enabling automatic updates or manually updating via the App Store or settings system. If an app won't install or won't open, restart the Apple TV, hold Home and Menu, or use Settings System Restart. And if that fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This often clears authorization or download errors, so you can retry the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.